Hello, my name is Payal Patel, and if you are looking for a physical therapy clinic, I want to welcome you to the physical therapy page of my physical therapy clinic. Again, thank you for taking the time to come over here and take a look at what we have to offer. My clinic is called Adapt Performance and Rehab, and we're located in Lawrence Township, New Jersey. And what I wanted to do today is take a few minutes to discuss who we work with and to determine whether or not physical therapy at Adapt Performance and Rehab would be a good fit for you. So essentially, we work with athletes and active adults to end their pain and get back to, more importantly, living a confident and athletic lifestyle again, an active lifestyle, free from needing any sort of unnecessary medication, injections, surgery. I hear the story all the time. People are kind of stuck after an injury. You're not quite sure where to go, and you're not quite sure what to do to get rid of the pain so that way you can get through your active and busy lifestyle. And a lot of people venture off into different paths. And the thing is, no matter where you are right now, if you feel like you're stuck, if you feel like you're frustrated, if you're nervous and worried and not quite sure what's going to happen in the future, even if it's a month from now or years from now, the most important thing is for you to know that there are places like Adapt Performance and Rehab that are catered towards people like you. Essentially what we do is we work with people who have goals of getting back to an active lifestyle, whether it's being able to hike again, consistently work out, for long walks, in general, just being busy and being in an active lifestyle. What I would say is those people that we do work with here have real goals of doing that, and the reason why I founded Adapt Performance and Rehab is because I feel like an injury should not stop you from living the life that you want to live. There are things that can be done in order to make sure you're back to feeling like 100%, and that is exactly what we're designed for here at Adapt Performance and Rehab. So again, if you're stuck at a place right now where you're not sure what to do about it, if you're not quite sure of who to go to get the best sort of guidance to really ensure that your pain is gone and that you're back to living the life that you want to live, I just want to again thank you for visiting our page, because I think that you might find that Adapt Performance and Rehab does seem like the best place for you. So if you know, if you're sure, if you're confident, and this sounds like you, if you're confident that this might be the type of program that you've been searching for, then what I'd like to invite you to do is inquire about cost and availability. If you look right below this video, you'll see a button where you can inquire about cost and availability, and what we can do is we can connect with you over the phone and find a good time to get you started on living the life that you want to live again, and coming up with a plan that works for you. The other thing is, if you're hopeful but you're not quite sure whether or not this type of program is exactly what you need, if you have a few questions, if you're not quite sure of how you fit into this type of program, what we can do is I can actually offer you a free discovery visit. And essentially it's just a chance for us to kind of connect on the phone first and then connect in person and just kind of decide, is this the type of program that would really be beneficial to you, not just in the immediate short term, but even long term. And the last thing is, if you feel skeptical at this point, if you're very skeptical and nervous and apprehensive and not quite sure if physical therapy is the best option for you, what I'd like to invite you to do is set up a free, literally no-risk phone call with one of our physical therapists, and we can kind of decide if physical therapy is the best option for you. And during the phone call, we'll kind of sit down and we'll listen to all the stuff that you've been going through and where it is that you'd like to go with it. And we can kind of decide, does it make sense for you to start with physical therapy? Are there other things that we can actually offer you advice on as well that would kind of supplement this type of journey? But the biggest thing to note, and the most important thing, is that regardless of which option you choose, I just want you to know that I'm grateful that you are confiding in Adapt, and I'm grateful that you were taking the first step towards getting your health back in order and getting back the control and the confidence of your active lifestyle that you want. And again, I'm really glad that you are watching this video, because it tells me that you are headed in the right direction. So again, feel free to peruse through the website. We have so many helpful tips and free reports and things on here just to kind of help with your journey, and essentially feel free to download whatever you'd like. If you want to request other stuff, if you don't see something on here and you would like to request it, feel free to give us a call and we can kind of send some other stuff over your way too. We have a lot of free information that we're just loving to give out to you guys. So great. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon. Again, scroll below and you'll see all the links to kind of schedule or inquire regarding the phone call, a discovery visit, or even about cost and availability. All right, I will talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.